Hello, today we will guide you through how to change username on Vinted. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Vinted website. This is the main place where you can manage your account settings, including your public profile details. Once the site has fully loaded, make sure you are signed in to the correct account before making any changes. That helps avoid updating the wrong profile by mistake. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile. This will open the Account menu, where Vinted keeps several options related to your personal account, listings, and settings. If you do not immediately see the menu, give the page a moment to finish loading and then try again. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Vinted stores the controls for updating your account information. Inside Settings, you will be able to access different profile-related options, including the one used to change your username. Once you are in the Settings area, click on Change Username. This will take you to the section specifically designed for updating the name other users see on your profile. It is a good idea to choose a username that is easy to recognize, simple to spell, and appropriate for buying and selling on the platform. If you are using your shop or brand identity, make sure the username matches how you want to appear to other users. Now enter your new username in the field provided. Type it carefully and double check for spelling errors before continuing. Keep in mind that some usernames may already be taken, so you may need to try a slight variation if your first choice is unavailable. It can also help to avoid overly complicated symbols or confusing spellings, so your profile remains easy for others to find. After you have entered the username you want, click on Change Username to confirm the update. This saves the change and applies your new username to your Vinted account. And that's it. Your username should now be updated. If you do not see the change right away, refresh the page or revisit your profile to confirm it has been applied. If Vinted shows an error, review the username you entered and try again with a different variation if needed. Thanks for following along, and that's how to change your username on Vinted.